Hello my friends, Sylvie Curry, Lady of Q, and I'm once again in my kitchen. Today I thought I would show you some of the areas that I store various food products, containers, canned goods, etc. This is my cabinet. I have a separate pantry, so I don't call this my pantry, I'll just call it my cabinet. And I've got my shelves full, and I've got it organized where I know basically where most things are, and some of the products I use most often, of course, are going to be in the front, and some of those that get used less often are going to be in the back. Let's get closer so I can show you what I've got. Here on this top shelf, I have varying sugars. So I've got sugar in the raw, I've got cane sugar, I've got my stevia. I've got some seasonings here, and these are seasonings that come in smaller containers. I have another area where I keep my larger containers. And there'll be varying types of things in here. For example, you see the cilantro on the front, cream of tartar, aniseed, vinegar powder. In this corner here, I usually keep a lot of the hot sauces or other types of sauces, including some of my ranch dressings, ketchup, mustard. And these are additional, I say additional, these are my backup for what's in the refrigerator. As you know, I do a lot of shopping at Costco, so a lot of things come in double supply. On the second row, they're primarily canned goods. And canned goods range from everything from, I've got my evaporated milk, I've got tomato products in there, I've got Bush's beans, and I've got also some coconut milk, refried beans, tomato sauces, and paste. And here I've got storage of some more herbs, that's bay leaves. And usually on this side, I'll have my packages of things that I am storing. For example, what do I have in here? I've got golden curry sauce mix, those type of things. Guacamole mix, package type things. And I've got some noodles, ramen noodles there. This next aisle, I'll have a little bit of everything in here. I've got primarily, there's some herbs and seasonings in the back. I've got some packages of mashed potatoes, cornmeal mix, curry powder, product number 1, nuts. And I keep the nuts are usually right here in the front so my hubby can come right up and he knows exactly where they are. Getting down in this area, I've got a lot of Asian type products, and that includes seaweed, kombu, all sorts of things like miso, this is chili oil, just a little bit of everything in there. In addition, I've got some mix there, breadcrumbs. I have gluten-free and I have regular. Gluten-free primarily for when my daughter comes here and she wants me to cook something. She's on a gluten-free diet, so I'll have that there for her. Moving down to the bottom shelf, it's a lot of my taller bottles, and that includes a lot of the seasonings like soy sauce and sesame oil, and the taller bottles of ranch dressing, Worcestershire sauce, vinegars, fish sauce, and some seasonings and extra bottles of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, those type of products.